Hello my friends, I assume you are a fan of the Aliens movies, and so I have something for you. Do you have the need of an Aliens motion tracker that you can attach to an M41A Pulse Rifle? I know that mostly you need it.
We better get back, because it'll be dark soon, and they mostly come at night. Mostly.
Well, if they mostly come at night, you better have one of these. Yeah, I've built my own alien motion tracker, and you can build one of these too. In this video, I will show you how I've designed this, how I've 3D printed it, painted it, and weathered it to look just like it came straight from LV426. This motion tracker, it is built around an old iPhone 4. I had this equipment laying around, and so I've used it. You may charge it through here. There is a lid that you can put like this, and you may take the iPhone out of the alien motion tracker and insert it again, and it has this attachment that you can use to attach to a Picatinny rail to an M41A Pulse Rifle. By the way, let me introduce you to an old friend. This is the new version I'm building of an M41A Pulse Rifle. My version, it is built around a NERF Stampede. It is an electric NERF. It shoots darts. It has some 3D printed parts. I've designed some. Others I've adapted to this design. And soon I will release a video about this build. If you don't want to miss it, just hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this version. Just drop a comment below. And yeah. Now it is ready to use. You can use it like this, and if you're not using it, you just put it like this, okay? So that's it. Let's watch the video and learn how to build one of these. The centerpiece of this build is a 15 years old iPhone 4 that I repurposed as the screen for the motion tracker. I load the phone with a looped video of the original tracker interface from Aliens, which I obtained using a specialized app. Check the link in the description for this app. The next step was to 3D print the motion tracker housing and other components. I used STL files that I designed to fit this custom build. Each part was printed with PLA filament on microreality under 3 at a layer height of 1.2 millimeters. Printing took several hours, but the results were worth it. If you're interested in the files, check the description for more details. The motion tracker is a pivotal piece of equipment in the Aliens universe, used by the Colonial Marines to detect movement in their surroundings.
Anything?
Something. It's inside the complex.
You're just reading me.
No, it ain't you. They're inside the perimeter. They're in here.
Hudson, stay cool.
So, the goal was to replicate this device in a compact form suitable for mounting on a pulse rifle prop. By the way, I'm building a new version. I mean, my version of the M41A Pulse Rifle using 3D printed parts around the NERF blaster. Don't miss the video about this build that I will post soon. So I think you should subscribe now or you will lose it. Once the parts were printed, I sanded them to remove any imperfections and ensure a snug fit during assembly, paying close attention to alignment and fit. To integrate the iPhone seamlessly, I designed the housing with precise dimensions to hold it securely. I added an opening on the side to allow me to charge the iPhone, completing the functional aspect of this project. The final step involved attaching a Picatinny rail mount to the base of the motion tracker. I've ensured the mount was securely fastened and aligned correctly for stable attachment to the M41A Pulse Rifle. This feature allows for easy installation and removal, providing versatility for display or cosplay use. Any seams or imperfections were smoothed out using fine grit sandpaper to prepare the surface for painting and used cyanocrylate glue for bonding, providing a strong and lasting hold to this build. With the assembly complete, it was time to bring the motion tracker to life through painting. I started with a grey filler primer to provide a solid base coat. After that, I applied layers of olive drab to match the aesthetic of the Aliens universe. Using a steady hand, I added subtle accents to make the details pop. Painted the lettering, knobs, buttons, and switches. No sci-fi prop is complete without some wear and tear. To give it a battle-worn look, I used weathering techniques like dry brushing and sponge chipping. Silver paint was applied to the edges and corners to mimic exposed metal. I also used the black wash to bring out details and create a sense of depth. These details really sell the idea that this motion tracker has seen action on LV-426 alongside the Colonial Marines. Once mounted, the tracker looks like a natural extension of the rifle, practical, portable, and ready for action. So that's it for today. Don't miss the next video for another cool project, and thank you for watching.